What you don't like, honestly tell me about your heart's feeling, heart's statement, what you learn even, what you like, what you don't like, what you dislike, everything you will tell right now within 1 minute. Honestly, there is nothing which is happening new with you right now. This is no camera. Tell me actual things, like and dislike everything within 1 minute. Start now quickly. Little louder.
So, uh, I would like to say something about my respected teacher. My teacher is a great personality. He's not a teacher, but it's a amazing personality. I learn every day from my teacher a new things and good things, and I learn many more things. And first and the foremost thing which I learned mostly, keep motivated and stay silent and do the work with patience. So it is.
Beta, what you don't like to me?
I think nothing. I think there is nothing which I don't like my teacher.
Okay, Shweta ma'am, I'm expecting something for you.
So good morning, my name is Shweta. Today I would like to share my point of view about the class and my teacher. So Samu sir is very great personality. He is teaching well. The way of teaching, the thing which he is delivering is unique and understandable. He know the person. He can see the face of any person and understand the person understood or not understood the things which he is teaching. And one thing I would like to say about this class, when I came into this class, I feel comfortable. I am able to speak, or I feel confidence while speaking. But previously I was not feeling like when I came to Neve Institute even, and I was speaking, that time I didn't feel confident. But when I entered in this class, I feel positivity and the smile which he is giving while we are speaking. So that is something like what we want when we are speaking. We want some happy faces or something, that some acknowledgement or some expression by which we can understand the person is interested to listening us and motivate us. The smile is motivate the person to speak more. So that I felt here in the class also, and with the Sambhu sir also. Sambhu sir face also. So that is the thing.
What
But
is
I don't
dislike
have
there?
anything. You are my teacher, sir, so I don't have anything.
बेटा, मुझे खुशी मिली कि आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रही है. मुझे देखना ये कैमरा नहीं चल रहा, मुझे बहुत दिल में खुशी मिल रही है कि इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली आप बोल रही है. इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट बोल रही है 18-20 के सामने खड़ा होकर. ये मुझे खुशी मिल रही है. लेकिन यदि मैं आपको डिसलाइक बोल दूं तो क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं जो पास्ट में कभी आपने पसंद नहीं किया?
Sir, dislike, if I would like to say so. This is not dislike. This is my fault. I came late, but you start the teaching early when before my coming. You started. So that
आज
I
की
can
बेटा,
say.
आज की क्लास, पहले की क्लास.
पहले की क्लास सर.
I would like to improve बेटा. Next one. मुझे खुशी मिली एक बात देखकर आप लोगों के अंदर कि आप सबसे पहले मैं श्वेता के बारे में बात करूं. Sweta is right now talking confidently, and this is my dream to see everyone to speak confidently, fearlessly, and fluently. And right now she is speaking. She is a female. She is a lady, and actually, they max they require in their life, because max of the chances are deducting from their life, and it's our liability, it's our responsibility to prioritize them, to give them primarily value, intelligence, independency, and right now she is becoming my proud. Next one. Honestly,
So this is Swati, and I would like to say something about this class, that I love the way how he teaches, and I love the environment of this class, and whatever he teaches, and it is really new for me, and everything I felt like I am learning new things which I don't know, and even he works over our personality and modulation of voice. This is a very best thing which attract people to our communication.
next one. बोलते जाइए बेटा जल्दी जल्दी.
Hi, my name is Tejan, and I would like to say some about my teacher and I would like to say that the way he teach, it's uniquely the way he throw some jokes in a class, the way he throw the example in a class to explain the concepts, and very funny way, very he makes the environment in a class very light and happily, and funny environment that make class lighter. And he sometimes he motivates uh, sometimes he motivates like that too much you can do anything in your life within a second. The way he motivates you, that's the part I like in the most in a sir. And thank you.
Jaldi, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, as a leader, you are going to speak.
He is a great teacher in the all over world. Name is Sambhu sir. Because we know that, because at that time definitely because you can't speak, but then after some time because you feel that you can't fear. Then after some time you show your performance. So I think because you are taking the knowledge, because you say that because you may have lots of knowledge of the Sambhu sir. You can say this is a great teacher. Dislike, because I know that because he was word meaning, because it is very difficult word meaning. Definitely I can't explain. So I feel that because word meaning is short,
Should be small.
should be small,
Simple.
So I think I say that.
Only
Thank
this is
you.
look for. Okay, next one.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shahid Ali. These are wonderful broadcasts in these activities going on. These are wonderful. My teacher is a wonderful way of the teachings. These are, I don't have a single words I'm talking about, but nowadays I am telling you these are wonderful way of these activities going on. These are more than also activities. These are group discussion, or these are activities also storytelling. These as vocabularies also. These are going on
in the class.
in the class. That's it. It's a wonderful way of the
Session
teaching.
in the class.
Session in the class.
Next one.
Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Kumar Sharma, and the Sambhu sir teaching is very nice and very good. And if someone doesn't understand, then Sambhu sir would tell 1 to 10 times. You can ask many times to understand any topic. And Sambhu sir is teaching is very nice to learn everyone fluently.
Next one. Aarti.
Good
Genuinely.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aarti. When I join, I am stuck in front of class when speaking. But when Sambhu sir supported me, I perform in front of class with confidently. But I also have some dislike, like word meaning spellings. I have a problem when I don't understand. But he is great in my life, and I also realize I have a talent for a mimicry. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. Next one.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shama, and I would like to say about Shambhu sir and this class that Shambhu sir teaches very well, and when everyone doesn't know in one time, she makes us understand every time, and he motivated us also, and he teaches very well. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. This is Vishwajit Singh, and I like to Shambhu sir. He teach like you want. If you want politely, he teach politely. If you want strictly, strictly. But the way of the teaching of Shambhu sir is very nice, and while we speaking, the Shambhu sir gives me a wings to fly the English, fly the language, and feel the language. And that time I realized it's a very special teacher to teach us. Thanks.
I am Narinda. I would like to say a single word. Sambhu sir is teaching way of the very fantastic. Then I came the institute. I do not speak the single words of the English. Then I speak everyone in front of the peoples. Mostly speak. Thank you.
Very good morning to all. I am Salman in front of you. Today I got wonderful chance for speaking in front of all. Today I'm going to share my feedback about this session. So, my dear friend all, when I came here, so really I couldn't speak in front of anyone. After that, you can I was facing lots of issues in my life. That time I was working as a security guard, but still I got a wonderful and amazing and good job in now I'm working. So this credit I think goes to the Sambhu sir, because if I were not joined this class, so I would not good communication skill as well. Thank you.
So hello everyone, this is Jatin. So today I am talk about my well-wisher, Sir Sambhu sir. First of all, I don't understand why students scared to him. He teaches very politely and he explained too much. Once you stuck in a grammar, once you stuck in a word meaning session, he explained you multiple times. So that is a great thing, and he is a great teacher. That's it.
So good morning everyone, my name is Shivam and I am not able to speak the man, the myth and the legend of Sambhu sir, and he is the best teacher of the English and he is the king of the English subject, and his always teaching style is good and all the mimicries and more activities in their class, and it is a best example and day by day motivate all the youngsters.
Good morning, my name is Vansh Desai, and thanks to my dear teacher Shambhu sir, I am able to speak in front of you very easily, and I am much more socialized. Like I wasn't socialized before and had problem with speaking people. So as you know that you can't just ignore the socialization in the society. In each part, everywhere you go, you need to socialize. If you ignore the fear, it will come back in other way. And with the help of Shambhu sir, I overcome my fear, and here I am developing better personality. Thank you very much, sir.
So good morning everyone, at this side Sundaram. So I would like to say something to Sambhu sir, that what I learned from him, and whatever I learned nowadays, totally it is depend on him, that now I am speaking English because of that Sambhu sir. So he is not only a teacher but also a motivational speaker, that now I am speaking confidently because of Sambhu sir. So I wish that he will become a very greatest teacher in his life, and I want something different to that. He will motivate me everywhere. That when I fail somewhere, he motivated me. When I feel scared, he motivated me. And whenever I feel something like it is not cup of tea for me, so he told me that it is not cup of tea for you. So you are second to known person. So when I feel something, so I tell everything that it is not cup of tea. So that's all what me. Thank you Sambhu sir, who give me this type of confidence and this type of English to improve myself. So sir, thank you for Sambhu sir.